Thanks Lines Primary School, Nagalpur for mathematics class of standard 7th. In the previous class, we have seen the exercise 6.4 regarding the property of the triangle. That is, if the sum of two sides always greater than the third side. Okay. So now today we are seeing the next property of right angled triangles and Pythagoras property. First here I want to explain you what is right angled triangle. Already you have learnt in the previous class, but still just I recall your memory. This is called as right angled triangle. See here, ABC is called as right angled triangle. Why it is called as right angled triangle? Because here angle B is right angle. In a triangle, if an angle is 90 degree, then such a triangle is called as a right angled triangle. So this is right angled triangle. See, this is 90 degree. This notation I think you may be knowing that one. This is right angled triangle. One symbol it is. If this symbol is there, means it is known as or recognized as a right angled triangle. In that, this angle is 90 degree. Remaining sum of these two become 90. This 90 plus this 90 degree angle together 180 degree. You know the angle sum property already you have learned, that is the sum of angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. So now in this present right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. You just observe here the side which is opposite to the right angle triangle, which is that AC. Here angle B is 90 degree. The opposite side of angle B is AC. Okay. The side AC is called as here hypotenuse. What it is? Hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse. Very important it is for the higher class. However you go higher class now, as you are going to the higher class, this hypotenuse will be used in many aspects of the mathematics branches. So hypotenuse is very important. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is nothing but the side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle. In a right angled triangle, the side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle is called as hypotenuse. Okay. And what about other two sides in the right angled triangle? They are called as AB and BC are called as legs of the triangle. What are those? Legs. See here. In a right angled triangle, the side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle is called as hypotenuse. Here AC is hypotenuse and AB and BC are called as legs of the triangle. This is what all about the right angled triangle. Then how we have to apply to this right angled triangle the Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? Pythagoras is a great famous mathematician. Okay, his property is very well known property. What it is we'll see now. See here. This is another right angled triangle PQR. Okay, this is right angled triangle. In this right angled triangle, Q is 90 degree. Then what about PR? PR is called as hypotenuse. What is this? Hypotenuse. Okay. Then what about these two sides? PQ is one of the legs and QR is one of the legs. Okay. Now suppose the PQ legs, one of the legs of this is leg, this is one leg, this is one leg. So here if this is A and this leg is B and suppose this hypotenuse is C, there is one relation. That relation or that property is very important, that is Pythagoras property. See here, the square of the legs of the right angled triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. That is here, what is the first leg here? A square plus, what is the second leg? B square is equal to always C square. This property is very well known property of Pythagoras. What is that? the sum of the square of the legs of a right angle triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Is what we have learnt here. Same using these terms only here. We are forming one property, that is Pythagoras property. Pythagoras is name of the famous mathematician. His property says that sum of the square of the legs of a right angle triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So this is very, very important. This can be written as, suppose sometimes PQ will be given. The length of the PQ will be given. PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. One example I will take. We will see. Suppose here, this is one right angle triangle. This is PQR will take. This is 3, 4 and this is X. Okay. Now we have to find out the what is the length of the hypotenuse. According to this property, Pythagoras property, now we will do. Here see PQ square. PQ square. First you have to write the property. Then QR square. Okay. Is equal to PR square. That is hypotenuse square. What is the PQ? The length given is 3 square plus what is the QR? 4 square is equal to, we have to find out now. 3 square means 9. 3 into 3. 3 square means 3 into 3. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. That means what is PR here? PR square is equal to X square is equal to 25. X square is 25. What about X? So X is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5 centimeter. So X, now the value of X is found out with the help of the Pythagoras property. The same kind of problems will be given to you to solve. Sometimes you have to find out the hypotenuse, or sometimes one leg and hypotenuse will be given. You have to find out the another leg. Leg is nothing but here the sides, other two sides are called as in the right angle triangle, that is legs. Here, suppose this leg and hypotenuse will be given. You have to find out the other leg. Okay, very easy concept it is. Please go through it and become thorough in this. On this base, now I am going to solve the exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5. First one, you have to take the question from your textbook. Just I am going to read the question and make you to understand. PQR is a triangle, right angled at P. This is important here. It's just to draw one rough diagram here. Here, where is the right angle? Right angle is at P. See, this is P, Q, and you can take it as PQR. PQ is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. And PR is 24 centimeter. PR is 24 centimeter. Find QR. That means we have to find out the hypotenuse of the given right angle triangle. See, now directly I am doing the solution. Please take the question from your textbook. Solution. What things are given? First we will write. PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. PR is equal to 24 centimeter. So as per the Pythagoras property, what is that Pythagoras property? PR square plus PQ square is equal to QR square. This is nothing but Pythagoras property. This is Pythagoras property. Okay. What is PR? How much is given? 24 square plus PQ is 10 square. This we don't know. We have to find out. That we will take it as X. Okay. We don't know, that you can consider it as X. X square. Okay. Now 24 square. 24 into 24 you have to do. That is nothing but I think 476. 24 into 24. 4 4s are 16. Carrying 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 96. 24 2s are 48. 576. Here 24 square is 576 plus 10 square, you know it, that is 100, is equal to x square. So 576 plus 100 is 676 is equal to x. 676 is square number of one number. What number we have to find out? That is of see here 676 is nothing but 26 into 26. In the next class you are going to learn how to find out the square root of the given number. Now like this only, by practice, by multiplying or by some clues. What is the clue? Yes, it is ending with 6 means it must be the square number of ending with 4 or 6. 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. Like that you have to think, and you have to go on multiplying and get that number. This is nothing but x into x. So this implies that 26 is equal to x, or therefore x is equal to 26. Here what is x? X is nothing but QR. QR is equal to 26 centimeter. This is what method of finding the hypotenuse. Now we found out the hypotenuse of the given right angle triangle. Now second problem, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. See here, ABC is a triangle. On rough diagram we will draw. At C, here this is C is right angle triangle CAB. Okay. Then AB is 25. AB is 25. Here hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is given. And then AC is 7. AC is 7 centimeter. We have to find out the BC. This we have to consider it as x, and we have to find out x. Okay. Now let us do the problem solution. So given things we will write first. AB is equal to 25 centimeter. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then BC is equal to, we don't know, that we have to consider it as x. Okay. Now, according to the Pythagoras property, AB square plus, AB is here hypotenuse. We have to consider it as hypotenuse. No, so BC square plus CA square is equal to AB square. Okay. AB square. What is BC? BC is considered here it as x square plus what is CA? CA is 7 square is equal to AB is 25 square. Now x square plus 7 square is nothing but 49. 25 square is 625. So x square is equal to 625. This 49 will go to that side. It will become minus 49. So x square is equal to 576. X square is equal to 576. See here, just now you have seen here 576 is a square number of 24. That one you can use here. So x square is equal to 24 into 24. You can take it as like this. X into x is equal to 24 into 24. So this implies that x is equal to 24 centimeter. Here what is x? BC is, this implies that BC is equal to 24 centimeter. So this is what a method of finding the one of the legs. Here hypotenuse was given. One of the legs. Now we learned how to find out. Now the third one. Third mean we'll see the question. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window. See there, a 15-meter figure is given. Problem you have to see from the textbook. Since it is very big, I cannot write here on the board. Directly I am giving the solution. See the question from your textbook. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground. On placing it against a wall at a distance A, okay, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. That means here this is wall and this is floor. Here one ladder is placed. This is ladder. Okay, how it is placed? Inclined, you know how to place it. Okay. The height of the ladder is given, that is 15 meter, and the length of the wall is 12 meter. Now we have to find out the distance between this wall and the ladder. That we have to find out. Okay. Now very easy it is, using the Pythagoras property. What things are given first we will write. So we will take it as A, B and C. Okay. Now what things are given? BC is equal to 15 meter, AB is equal to 12 meter, and then AC or CA is equal to A. So as per the Pythagoras property, what it is? BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. What is BC here? 15 square is equal to AB is 12 square plus AC is A square. So 15 square means 225 is equal to 144 plus A square. So 225 minus 144 is equal to A square. That is 81 is equal to A square. You know 81 can be written as 9 nines. Here it is A into A. So this implies that 9 is equal to A, or A is equal to 9 centimeter. Meter it is. That means the distance from the wall to the ladder is 9 meter. So therefore the distance from wall to the ladder is A, that equal to 9 meter. 9 meter distance the ladder is kept. Okay. Or foot of the ladder. You can take it as a foot of the ladder. The distance from wall to the foot of the ladder you can take here. Foot of the ladder is 9 meter. Okay students, next main, up to third main I completed now. Next main I am going to continue in the next session. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.